What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we're gonna try a new stretch of the Susquehanna here, an area I have not fished yet. Gonna toss around a leech, I have a jig, and then the micro chatterbait. Gonna see if we can figure out these fish and what they want, but let's get fishing. All right, I think I'm gonna start with the moving bait, which is gonna be the little micro chatterbait here with the Nico tadpole on there. Water's looking a little murky. Oh, just got hammered right there by something. That was a solid hit too. There we go. There's a fish. That took a little bit. And a little micro, a little tadpole. If you guys haven't tried this little combination, I'd definitely give it a try, especially in stained water like this. There we go. It's bank flipping. Come here, bud. Oh, he just popped off. That counts, he touched the bank. Got a little knot in my line right there. I'm gonna have to retie that. All right, I just retied this on. Like I said, I had a little knot in my line. Didn't want that breaking if we got on a big one, so better to retie now than regret it later. But at least we found one. Probably been here on it 15-20 minutes. See if we can get on another one. Actually, put our hands on it this time. All right, spot change. All right, couldn't catch anything at that other spot, so we're gonna try here. Starting with the little micro chatterbait. Seeing some minnows busting. I don't know if it's bass chasing them or what. Ain't nothing on the tadpole. Sorry if I keep calling this thing a leech too. What I'm trying to mean is a tadpole. Now let's try the leech out. There we go. There's one on the leech. Just letting the current take it down and got knocked right there. There we go, little guy, but first one of the day. Sweet. Just can't ever go wrong with this green pumpkin leech, especially paired up with that North Branch tackle sled jig. Again, I like to just cast this leech out there, let it shimmer to the bottom, and just keep it on the bottom. Let the current just take it down. Again, I'm only using an 1/8 ounce, so it's pretty light. And it's not digging into the bottom either. Looks like somebody's been down here in the mud, slipping and sliding around. Oh, something just popped right there. Could have been a little bass. There's a little guy. And that little micro chatterbait. So you can bank flip him. Oh, tiny, tiny guy. Sheesh. You need to beef up, bud. Oh, looks like something just swirled right there in front of me. I mean, the fish are active. Signs of them everywhere. Minnows busting, Swirls going on. Saw a couple fish jumping. There's one. Feels a little bit better. It's not a bad one. Not a giant, but not a bad one. We can lift them here. We got them. There we go on that leech. There we go. Well, like I said, a little bit bigger. Not a giant though. See if we can get them closer to the water so we don't have to chuck them so far. Thanks for biting, little guy. Well, at least we're not getting skunked. The confidence baits are definitely keeping us confident. Another one. About the same size as that one we just caught. Still some good quality fish. I'm guessing these are the males. Females, a lot of these females are probably on beds right now. All right, so this evening I'm gonna go out with Chris. He's not here right now, but we're gonna take the little John boat out, see if we can get on some big ones here at the river. I'm definitely gonna throw that top water around, so let's see what happens. Get the stick ready. Looks like we're heading right for it.
Using jerkbait?
I am, yeah.
I'm waiting for that top water bite, boys.
Dude, it's on. I caught some last night on top water.
Oh, is it ready?
Yep.
Alright. I'm spoiled now. Now after I got so many top bites. What an exciting way to fish.
Dude, I can't blame you. Yeah, it's definitely an adrenaline rush.
Yeah, it definitely is. Until you try to set too soon and pop a frog or something right out of their mouths.
Yeah. There we go. There's a fish. No, doesn't feel like it.
Wait.
Oh, he came off.
Oh, did he?
No, he didn't.
Hold on, hold on.
I got him.
You got it?
Yeah. I just don't want to put my thumb in there with jerkbait or with triple hooks. There we go. A little headache of a fish, but first one. There's one. Oh, came off. Guess I should probably loosen my drag a little bit. There's one. Stay on, bud.
Need help?
No, I got him.
Same one.
A little bit bigger. Oh, number two.
What do you, real jerk, kind of?
Yeah, real jerk. Pause it for a second. Kind of like jerk, reel, pause, maybe like 2-second pause. Figured out what they want, now we just gotta find them. I'm gonna throw that top water here soon. There we go. Oh, look at that one. Stay down, bud. Super dark. Oh man, this is a good fish.
You need my help?
Nope. Really at his mercy right now. There we go.
I'm sure you don't need any.
I'm positive I got him. Dude, that is a gorgeous fish. Look at the colors on this fish. Look at, look at that fish, dude. You take my picture with him.
Yep, that looks like similar to the one I caught the other night.
Just an absolutely gorgeous fish. Biggest one of the night so far on that darter jig. Thanks for biting, bud. Beautiful fish. There we go. Chris got one on jerkbait. I'm gonna toss the top water around and see if I can get one.
Sailing.
Yeah, it's recording right now.
Bam! Just a little guy though. The skunk is out of the boat.